What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best exercise bike under 200. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Exerpeutic 400XL Folding Recumbent Bike. If you are looking for the best exercise bike under 200, you should consider the Exerpeutic 400XL. It is another excellent model of the present time. The bike requires very little space as it is compact, therefore, transportation is easy due to the wheels included. The capacity of the bike is 300 pounds, and it is easier to get on and off due to modern semi-recumbent design. The seat is comfortable and large. You will get backrest that prevents stress on the butt and lower back. The Exerpeutic 400XL offers 8 levels of tension control system so that you can set the difficulty level according to your need. The 3-piece high-torque cranking system ensures a smooth and consistent pedaling motion. The construction quality is top class with premium quality materials. It is built to last. If you love exercising while enjoying TV shows, this is the life-saving option for you. Moving on at number 4, we have the Marcy Me709 Magnetic Resistance Exercise Bike. Let me present the budget killer. Yes, I am talking about the Marcy Recumbent Exercise Bike. The bike is inexpensive, still has all the feature included for both novice and experts. The build quality of the recumbent exercise bike is fantastic with top-grade materials. It will last several years without any problem. The Marcy Recumbent Exercise Bike is ideal for people with different height and weights. There are 8 levels of magnetic resistance included in the bike so that the users can set according to their need. The exercise bike has a user-friendly design. That means you can seat on and off without any problem. The seat is large and comfortable as well. The foot straps are also adjustable for a better fit. While pedaling, you will get control and maximum foot support. The LCD screen is ultra-functional with a sharp display panel that shows distance, time as well as calories burned. You will get extra support to arms and back that prevent unwanted discomfort in butt and back muscles. At number 3, we have the BodyRider BRF 700 Exercise Fan Bike. The BodyRider Exercise Upright Fan Bike is another budget killer of the present time. It is a perfect pick for strength training as well as for cardio sessions. The adjustable seat of the bike is the best feature one can expect on an exercise bike. As the place is adjustable, people with different height and weight can comfortably use the machine. The fan wheel is included to keep you fresh during long sweaty hours of workout. The handlebar is dual action that helps to engage in upper body workouts perfectly, and the pedals care for the legs of the user. Usually, fan bikes don't come with any resistance control system, but this one is an exception. It offers tension adjustment to set the intensity level according to your need. The seat is comfortable, and the pedal is non-slip with straps. You will surely get a perfect seating position and can say goodbye to unexpected slippage problem. For all those features and inexpensive price, this is a hot cake for the fitness enthusiast. At number 2, we have the Harvell Expia Foldable Magnetic Exercise Bike. We all know the US-made products are highly effective and durable. The Harvell Foldable Magnetic Exercise Bike is one of the best exercise bikes under 200 which is made in the US. You can trust this with closed eyes. The construction quality of the product is impressive, with top-quality materials. The bike offers amazing workout experience with 10 levels of magnetic resistance. You can adjust the intensity according to your need. The seat is adjustable and comes with a backrest. You can exercise for long hours without feeling any discomfort on your butt or lower back. The digital monitor on the bike offers excellent visibility. It displays speed, distance, time, calories burned, and heart rate. The pedals are also top in quality that provides smooth and quiet operation. This is the ultimate solution for all your cardio home exercise. You don't have to hit the gym every day if you have this one on your collection. And finally at number 1, we have the Exerpeutic Gold 525 XLR Folding Exercise Bike. The Exerpeutic Gold 525 XLR folding recumbent exercise bike provides 400 pounds of weight capacity, which is the highest capacity in this list. The capacity of the product is quite surprising for this price range. The product is made of heavy-duty and high-durability steel frame, so it will last several years without any problem. There are 8 levels of a magnetic tension control system included for you. You can adjust the intensity level according to your preference. The LCD screen offers world-class visibility on displaying distance, calories burned, time, and speed, pulse, odometer, and scan. The seat of the Exerpeutic Gold 525 XLR folding recumbent exercise bike is comfortable and wide. It offers a maximum level of comfort and also the proper backrest. The size of the bike is not very big. Besides, it folds to almost half the size. If you want to store or carry the product, it will not be problematic. The price is as usual below $200. Give it a try, and I am sure it will satisfy you. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.